Hi, I'm Bob Cooper, President of Elite Worldwide. Thanks so much for joining us. Today, I'm actually at the tail end of our Fly with the Eagles Business Development course that we present here in San Diego. I'm with a dear friend of mine, Ed Cushman. Ed ran an amazing business in a great state of Washington. Stepped away a few years ago, decided to retire, and we put him to work as a business development coach. Does an outstanding job for us. And Ed, earlier you were mentioning that one of the books that you read recently, I know you're an avid reader, learned a lot from it, and do you mind sharing that with our audience, what the book was?
I'd love to, Bob. It's Andy Andrews' book, The 7 Disciplines. And basically it speaks about the 7 disciplines of life that we need to become great leaders, mentors for our families, and live a solid, fulfilled life. And part of that book that he talks about is leadership that I've learned through coaching is a challenge for all of us. What does it mean? Where do we go? And basically leadership, in Andy's book, he describes it as being able to make a decision. And even though we don't always have the ability to make the decision absolutely correct the first time, we have the ability to make it right in the end. And I think if we look at that as leaders, if we make a decision to go away based upon a very clear vision that we have established for ourselves, for our business, for our family, all of those things, that it makes it very simple to be able to follow that once we decide to start down the path.
Awesome, awesome. What's the name of the book?
It's called The 7 Disciplines.
The 7 Disciplines. The name of the author?
Andy Andrews.
There you go, guys. Andy Andrews, The 7 Disciplines. Look, take it from this guy. He knows what he's talking about. He runs a rock and roll business and does a great job for us. 7 Disciplines, Andy Andrews. I'm sure it's a book that you're going to really love. Thanks for joining us, Ed. Thank you for joining us as well. Great recommendation for sure.
Thank you, Bob.